Okay, so now I will be talking about executive summary. This report is based on an interview with Puan Farhana, the branch manager of Baker's Cottage at Taman Kosas, Ampang. The purpose of the interview was to understand how the planning, organizing, leading, controlling or POLC management functions are applied in this branch. For planning, the branch aims to achieve at least 100,000 in monthly sales and prepare its inventory early, especially during festive season to avoid stock shortage. For organizing, the branch uses a cross-training system where the employees are trained to perform in different tasks. New staff are also required to complete a 2 weeks onboarding program before handling their responsibilities independently. For leading, the manager motivates employees by giving prize for good performance and performance bonuses. If there are performance issues, the branch follows the progressive disciplinary processes to help the employees improve. For controlling, the branch ensures smooth operations by following the strict hygiene SOPs, carrying out daily opening and closing routines, and monitoring employees through direct observation. The main challenge was include employee lateness, workplace conflict, and SOP compliance. To improve performance, we recommend applying Islamic values such as amanah for responsibility and al-adil for fairness in managing employees. Overall, this interview shows how effective management help ensure smooth operation and provide valuable lessons for the future manager in the F&B industry.
Introduce the organization. Baker's Cottage was established in 1994 and is one of the well-known bakery and roasted chicken brands in Malaysia. Our report focused on the Baker's Cottage brand in Taman Kosas, Ampang. We introduced the branch manager, Puan Farhana, to understand the branch daily operations. She is responsible for managing staff, inventory, quality control, and daily branch performance. Next, I will explain the organization's value-based practice and sustainable development goals and strategy. Baker's Cottage practices the Islamic concept of halalan tayyiban by maintaining high standards of cleanliness and food safety. The branch also supports CDG 8 by providing training for new employees and creating a safe working environment. In addition, it supports CDG 12 by applying the FIFO or first in, first out inventory system to reduce food waste and ensure product freshness.
Every organization faces challenges in managing its employees, and Baker Cottage is no exception. During our interview with the brand manager, we found that several ethics issues occasionally arise in the workplace. Among the common issues are employees' lateness, failure to comply with standard operation produced or SOP, and misunderstanding regarding task liquidation. Well, these issues are generally minor. They can affect daily operation if they are not handled properly. To address this challenge, the manager emphasizes fairness and professionalism when dealing with employees. Open communication and proper guidance are important in resolving workplace conflict while maintaining a positive working environment. In addition, the manager highlighted several ethical challenges related to integrity. This include operational non-compliance, absence of working hour professional method, and the importance of finance in cash handling and customer service. The manager strongly emphasizes the value of amanah or trustworthiness. Every employee is expected to carry out their responsibility honestly, responsible, and with integrity. By upholding this integrity value, Baker's Cottage is able to maintain customer trust, protect its reputation, and ensure smooth daily operation. Overall, our interview showed that maintaining ethical behavior and workplace integrity is just as important to achieve business goals. A strong ethical culture helps create a more disciplined, responsible, and professional organization.
Now, I would like to explain the application of management concept at Baker's Cottage using the POLC framework. First is planning. The manager set a monthly sales target at least 100,000 ringgit. During the festive season, such as the Mooncake Festival, the branch orders stock 1 to 2 months earlier to avoid shortage. This helps the business prepare for high customer demand. Second is organizing. The branch has a small team, so every employee is cross-trained. They can work at the cashier, kitchen, and the cleaning area. New employees also complete a 2-week training program before starting work. This helps them understand the responsibilities and work more confidently.
Let's talk about leading. The first point is managing employees with poor performance. If an employee often comes late, is absent without a reason, or does not do their job well, the manager will take action step by step. First, the manager gives a private verbal warning and talks to the employee. If there is no improvement, the employee will receive written warning letters. If the problem continues, the employee may be asked to resign with a 24 hours notice instead of being officially dismissed. This process is called progressive discipline. It gives employee a chance to improve by protecting their future career. The second point is employee motivation. The manager motivates employee in two ways. The first is intrinsic motivation, which means giving praise and appreciation when employees do a good job, especially during busy periods. The second is extrinsic motivation, where employees receive monthly performance bonus. These rewards help improve job satisfaction, increase motivation, and encourage employees to stay with the company longer. Now, I will explain controlling. The first point is standard operation procedures or SOP. The restaurant follows strict SOP to make sure the food is safe and the workplace is clean. Employees must wear the correct uniform such as hairnet or black hijabs, aprons, and gloves when handling food. The restaurant also uses the FIFO method, which means first in, first out. This makes sure all the stock in the use first to keep food fresh and reduce waste. The second point is daily operational control. Everyday employees follow opening and closing routines. During the opening shift, they check the POS system, turn on the kitchen equipment, check the refrigerator temperature, and make sure the dining area is clean. During the closing shift, they count the cash, clean and sanitize the restaurant, store leftover food safely, and lock the building. The last point is monitoring employee performance. The manager observes how employees serve customers and handle complaints. Customer feedback is also collected to improve service quality. The manager also checks the average table turn time to make sure customers are served quickly. Lastly, the manager measures upselling performance by checking how well employees recommend promotional or high-profit menu items.
Through this documentary, we explore how Baker's Cottage Taman Kosas applies the four core functions of management, which is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling is in a daily operation. Based on our interview with branch manager, we found that effective management contributes significantly to achieving sales target, maintaining product quality, motivating employees, and ensuring smooth business operation. Despite operating with a lean workforce, the branch continue to provide efficient service through teamwork, proper planning, and continuous supervision. Overall, the management practice implemented at Baker's Cottage can be considered effective. However, every organization has room for improvement. We recommend adopting digital management tools such as electronic staff scheduling, inventory management system, and digital performance monitoring to further improve operational efficiency and support better decision making. From an Islamic perspective, effective management should also be guided by the strong ethical value. The principle of amanah, syura, ihsan, and adil encourage honesty, conciliation, excellence, and fairness in the workplace. This value not only strengthen organization but also promote a positive working environment and sustainable business growth. In conclusion, our interview demonstrates that the successful operation of Baker's Cottage is not solely driven by business strategies but also by effective leadership, teamwork, and ethical management. We hope the findings from this interview provide valuable insight into how management theories are applied in a real business setting. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.